Discover the ancient crystal that opens your heart to love, heals emotional wounds, and reminds you of your infinite worth. Hello, my darlings, and welcome. Today we're exploring the gentle and loving rose quartz, a crystal cherished for its connection to the heart. Let's do some magical crafting. Rose quartz has long been traditionally associated with love in all of its forms. Its name comes from its soft pink color, reminiscent of delicate rose petals. Throughout history, this beautiful stone has played a central role in love magic across countless cultures, from ancient Egypt to medieval Europe. Rose quartz resonates strongly with the planet Venus and the zodiac signs of Taurus and Libra, making it a powerful ally for those seeking to deepen their capacity for love and beauty in all aspects of life. This gentle crystal corresponds to the element of water, reflecting its flowing emotional nature, and connects primarily with the heart chakra, opening you to give and receive love more freely. I've created a printable Book of Shadows page for this beautiful gemstone. If you'd like to download a PDF of this grimoire page, check out the links below the video. The myths surrounding rose quartz are as romantic as the stone itself. In Greek and Roman mythology, rose quartz was created during a tragic moment of divine love. When Aphrodite, or Venus to the Romans, learned that her mortal lover Adonis was being attacked by Ares in the form of a wild boar, she rushed to save him. In her desperate haste, she ran through a thorny briar patch, cutting herself on the sharp thorns. As she reached her dying lover, their blood mingled together and fell upon white quartz crystals, staining them pink forever. This is why rose quartz is said to carry the energy of unconditional love and the willingness to sacrifice for those we cherish. During the Victorian era, rose quartz took on profound significance in mourning practices and sentimental jewelry. Grieving loved ones would commission rose quartz pieces to commemorate those who had passed, believing the soft pink stone could help heal their broken hearts, while keeping the memory of their beloved alive. The Victorians also exchanged rose quartz tokens between friends and romantic partners as symbols of enduring affection and emotional bonds. These pieces were often carved into hearts, flowers, or cameos, and were treasured as tangible reminders of love's gentle, healing presence even in times of sorrow. The distinctive pink coloration of rose quartz comes from trace amounts of titanium, iron, or manganese within its crystalline structure. You'll find this beautiful stone naturally occurring in Brazil, Madagascar, and South Dakota, among other locations. As part of the quartz family, it's most often found in massive form rather than pointed crystals. The color can vary from the palest blush pink to deeper rose hues, each shade carrying the same loving energy. The magical properties of rose quartz center around unconditional love and emotional healing. This crystal resonates strongly with the heart chakra, opening you to give and receive love more freely. It promotes self-love and self-acceptance, helping you to recognize your own worth and beauty. Its energy encourages compassion and forgiveness, both for yourself and others. The gentle, nurturing vibration of rose quartz makes it perfect for emotional healing work, while also attracting romantic love when you're ready for it. For practical applications, start by placing rose quartz on your heart during meditation. Lie down comfortably and rest the stone directly on your heart chakra. As you breathe deeply, visualize pink light emanating from the crystal and filling your entire chest cavity. This practice helps release old emotional wounds, grief, and heartache while opening you to receive love. Even just 5 minutes of this heart-centered meditation daily can create profound shifts in your ability to give and receive love. Keep a piece of rose quartz by your bedside to encourage peaceful sleep and loving dreams. The gentle energy of this stone creates a soothing atmosphere in your bedroom, helping to calm anxiety and promote restful sleep. Many people report having dreams about loved ones or receiving intuitive guidance about relationships when sleeping near rose quartz. You might also place a piece under your pillow to enhance these effects, particularly if you're working through relationship challenges or seeking to attract new love. Carrying rose quartz with you throughout the day serves as a constant reminder of your inherent worth and lovability. Keep a tumbled stone in your pocket or purse, and whenever you feel self-doubt or criticism arising, hold the stone and take 3 deep breaths. This simple practice helps shift your energy back to self-compassion and acceptance. The stone's presence in your energy field also helps attract positive, loving interactions with others throughout the day. Rose quartz is perfect for love-drawing spells and rituals, whether you're seeking romantic partnership or deeper self-love. Create a simple love altar with pink candles, rose petals, and several pieces of rose quartz. Write your intentions for love on pink paper and place it beneath the crystals. Light the candles each evening while holding your rose quartz, speaking your desires aloud. This consistent practice helps align your energy with the frequency of love, making you more magnetic to the relationships you seek. Creating gem elixirs with rose quartz can infuse your daily life with loving energy. Using the indirect method, place clean rose quartz stones around but not in a glass container of spring water, and then drink this charged water throughout the day. This gentle elixir helps maintain emotional balance and keeps your heart chakra open and receptive. Wearing rose quartz jewelry keeps its harmonious vibration within your aura constantly. A pendant that rests near your heart chakra is particularly effective for emotional healing and attracting love. Bracelets allow the energy to flow through your hands, enhancing your ability to give and receive loving touch. Even small rose quartz earrings helps you hear and speak with more compassion. Choose pieces that you're drawn to intuitively, as the right rose quartz jewelry often seems to choose you rather than the other way around. When working with rose quartz, cleanse it regularly using moonlight, sound vibrations, or visualization techniques. The full moon provides especially powerful charging energy for this love stone, particularly when the moon is in Taurus or Libra. Rose quartz combines beautifully with other heart-healing crystals like rhodonite for emotional balance or green aventurine for heart chakra opening. A simple self-love ritual might involve holding your rose quartz while lighting a pink candle and speaking affirmations of self-worth and love as you gaze into the flame. Working with rose quartz on Fridays, the day ruled by Venus, amplifies its love-attracting properties. Rose quartz offers us the key benefits of opening our hearts to love in all its forms. Self-love, romantic love, familial love, and universal compassion all flow more freely when you work with this gentle stone. May rose quartz fill your heart with gentle love and compassion, bringing harmony to all your relationships and reminding you daily of your own precious worth.